I'm editing yesterday's vlog. It is currently 1 o'clock. Did all the cleaning I could and everything, and getting this done. Gotta upload it. This is my breakfast with some salsa. Let's get to work. Alright, I finished editing. Now I'm uploading to YouTube and Facebook. Now I'm debating if I should go skateboarding. I mean, it's really nice outside, and I think I may do it. I think I may go. We'll find out after this next clip. All right, we're outside. We're rolling. We rolling. Okay, so skipping ahead with the skateboard and all that stuff. It was great, it was fun. Now you hear the sizzle, we cooking. And what we have is some chicken, and we're boiling some quinoa. It's been a while since we had that, and I just feel like eating that. So that's what we're doing. We're chefing it up in here. Alright, quinoa still needs time. Chicken's almost there. Those are good. And then this whole place is like all fogged up. I got that little fan. I got that little fan all the way over there, so that I could take some of this smoke out. This is what happens when you cook. There's not much ventilation down here. Should have like a huge fan, just like take it out to the roof or something. And there's the final product. And that's cooking with Jay today. Quinoa was simple. Just throw some water, throw the quinoa in there, wait till it all absorbs, and then grilling chicken, you put on the thing. That's it.